Hello and welcome back to the Metasploitable tutorial. This video is going to be about this X11 service that's running on port 6000. But honestly, to me, it seems like it is not vulnerable. So X11 is the service that operates the Windows in Linux, or one of the services that operates it. If it's misconfigured, it can be pointed out to the network, and you can use it to take screenshots or record keystrokes and that sort of thing. And so if this was misconfigured and pointed out to the network in a way that we could exploit it, it could be really useful. However, I've tried to poke around at it, and I just keep getting an access denied deal. And I've tried this here scanner in Metasploit, and I've tried some other things with Nmap and that sort of thing. And all I get is access denied. So as far as I can tell, this service is actually configured correctly, and I don't know that we're going to be able to use it to get any information or to pop a shell or anything. If you can figure out a way to use this on the Metasploitable virtual machine without going into the virtual machine and reconfiguring it, because I could have done that. I could have gone into the Metasploitable machine, changed a few things, and then been able to exploit it, but that's not really the point of that machine. If you can figure out how to do it without changing anything on the Metasploitable machine, I would love to see it. Definitely, explain it in the comments or hop on our Discord and put it in there. Anyway, thanks for watching. On to the next video.